So required materials are color papers, glue, scissor and a pencil. Now take your color paper of your choice and fold it thrice. And then take your scissor and cut it into half heart shape. And then fold your heart, apply gum and stick it one upon another. Now take a paper strip of 2 cm wide and 6 cm long. Now apply glue on the edge and stick both the ends together. Now cut round paper and stick it on one side. Now moving towards making flower, make a circle, cut it into spiral, apply gum on the middle and fold it as I am showing in the video. And one more important thing, if you are underage, it means you are under 12, please ask your parents to guide you while you are cutting with scissor. Now decorate your flower basket with the help of flowers, stems or leaves. Here we are making a paper craft which is inspired from air balloon. Do you remember we have cut our hearts at the beginning, so that will be a work as balloon. You just need 2 paper pipes to give our balloon a support. Now stick these 2 paper pipes with the help of glue to the balloon. And that's it, our paper gift is ready.